Hey everyone, this is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch in-app videos without using Terabox in Telegram. If it helps, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, open your Telegram apps. Here I'm going to open my Telegram apps, and after that you will see an interface like this. Normally, you have to find the video that you wanna watch. For example, I want to watch Tom and Jerry WhatsApp status. So you have to click on these three dots and you have to choose Save to Downloads. And then the video is going to be downloaded. Now click on this arrow button to go back, click on the search button, and if you swipe left a bit, you will get the option Downloads and you can find that video on the download list. And from here, you can watch the video without using Terabox. You can use any of your media player installed on your phone. So that's all about today's video. Thanks for watching.